Hi everyone. So Apple has finally launched its Apple 12 series in its October 2020 event, which are coming up with 4 different models, 2 pros and 2 non-pros. So in this video, I will be discussing about what would be the price range, when it will launch in India and the display quality and so on. So do watch this video till the end, and if you like the video, do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. Now let's start the video. So iPhone 12 is coming up with 4 different models, that is iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max, from which iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro will be launching in India by 30th of October, and the next two, which is iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 12 mini, will be launching later this month. But you can definitely pre-order your iPhone 12 from their official website, which is apple.in. So now let's check out the price range for each and every different model with their storage capacity. So let's start with iPhone 12 mini price in India. It starts with 69,900 for the base model, which is 64GB variant. However, 128GB storage model of iPhone 12 mini is priced for 74,900, whereas 256GB storage comes with 84,900. The iPhone 12 on the other front comes with 79,900 for the base model, which is 64GB, whereas 128GB and 256GB storage model are priced at 84,900 and 94,900 respectively. The iPhone 12 Pro price is set to be at 1,19,900 for the 128GB storage variant, while its 256GB storage model is priced at 1,29,900, and the top end model, which is 512GB storage, comes with 1,49,900. Lastly, the iPhone 12 Pro Max carries the price tag of Rs 1,29,900 for 128GB storage, while its 256GB storage and 512GB storage option comes with 1,39,900 and 1,59,900 respectively. Now after checking the price range of each model of iPhone 12, now let's check out the display size of every iPhone 12 model. So the iPhone 12 mini comes with 5.4 inches display, whereas iPhone 12 comes with 6.10 inches, followed by iPhone 12 Pro also comes with 6.10 inches display, and lastly iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with 6.7 inches display. So now let's check out some of the features which iPhone 12 is offering. Let's start with the big banner which iPhone 12 has created, which is iPhone 5G speed. So here's the thing about the 5G speed which iPhone 12 has launched in India, which is not beneficial yet for the customers, because our telecom industry has not yet announced that 5G speed which could be supported in our iPhone 12. So it could be two-sided things, that so in future if telecom industry has the plan for 5G, then only it is beneficial for India, but for now it is not any benefit for the customers. But people keep iPhone for longest amount of a time because of its durability, and in future if the infrastructure is ready and telecom industry supports the 5G, then only it is beneficial for India, but for now it has no use. So as we know, iPhone is famous for its display clarity, but in iPhone 12 it is coming up with the improved display quality, which would be Super Retina XRD display. Now let's talk about the camera clarity for iPhone 12. It is coming up with 3 cameras and one more additional feature which can scan the object and give you the better and improved footage for the night mode. The layout is same as iPhone 11, but it features wider aperture on both lenses. So the last and final feature is it is coming up with MagSafe technology, which means it is coming up with a magnet technology which would be attached to your phone at the back side, which can help to charge your phone with 15 volts capacity, and that is super fast. Apart from that, you can attach various new accessories with your iPhone, which would be released after all the variants are launched. So this was some of the basic idea for your iPhone 12. Now you can decide which model to buy and how much price to pay for it, and some of the basic features which comes with it. If you like this video, please hit that like button and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.